Hi guys, welcome back to my sister's YouTube channel. If you're new, click the subscribe button and put on the post notification bell to join her squad. As for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and we really appreciate. So in today's video, she's going to do my hair. I just asked her to do a simple style on my head, so let's just wait and see what she'll do on my hair.
So guys, today's tutorial is very simple, beginner friendly. Like, especially if you don't know how to do the feeding braids on your own hair or your client's hair, you can just use this method. I'm going to just make like 2 big cornrows and then I'm going to sew the feeding braids on the cornrows, like just as simple as that. So I first of all like part her hair into 2 equal sections and then braided the hair. So guys, again, there are 2 methods in which you can braid this hair. The first one, like, you don't have to split it like this, the way I'm doing, but if you want to like sew the feeding braids on them, I prefer using this method, like splitting the hair into 2 before you braid them, because when you use this method, the braid is going to be flat, the corner is going to be flat, so when you sew the feeding braid, it's also going to be flat and look so natural. So I prefer using this method where you split the hair first into 2 like this and then braid them, instead of just braiding like one big cornrow. You can apply gel to just make it like lie flat, but then for hers I just blow dried it and braided it. I don't want to apply gel because like her hair is just like mine. When I apply gel, when I blow dry and apply gel, it becomes thick and like it really won't be that interesting to braid. So what I did, I just blow dried and braided it. The next step after you do the cornrows is to make the feeding braids. I'll put a link in the description box down below on how to make these braids. Just in case you're interested, you can check the description box down below. So the next step is to sew the braid on top of the cornrow, and I'm going to sew it in the middle. And the reason why I was telling you I prefer this method where I split the hair into 2 first before I braided is because it makes the cornrow look so natural, like it's not like lifted, like no one can tell that it's not like a feeding cornrow. So just make sure your cornrow, like on your natural hair, is so flat. This style can last for just a week or 2 depending on how soft or how thick your hair is. So if your hair is softer, maybe it will just last for a week, or if it's thicker, it will last for more than that.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, white lies paralyzed, sweet as poison, fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons, one sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night, couldn't let you leave, watch you leave on. Nothing less come daylight, come daylight. Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle.
So guys, that was it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, she'll be back with more videos. Bye.
Oh, you open up a world behind stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We